Hello, I'm the 10-minute English teacher. Let's get you exam ready. Today we're revising Romeo and Juliet by William Shakespeare, and I'm going to be talking to you about the key quote, "Earth has swallowed all my hopes but she." Before we get going, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are plenty of things on the channel to help you understand the play like an expert. Okay, let's analyse the quote, "Earth has swallowed all my hopes but she." So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to think about where this quote appears in the play. So Capulet says, "Earth has swallowed all my hopes but she," and this is said in Act 1 in a conversation with Paris about marriage. He explains that Juliet's happiness and future is the only thing that motivates him. Now we need to think about how we can analyse this quote. What can we say about this? Why is it a key quote, and why is this an interesting moment in the text? One thing that we could say is this: Earth is a metaphor for time. Capulet has no further ambitions to achieve in his life, and it will be complete when he secures Juliet's future for her. Another thing that we can say about this quote is this: the use of iambic pentameter stresses Capulet's status. Juliet should hold him in high regard, as Paris does, and it also emphasises his deep love for her. Now, what can we say about this that reflects some understanding of the context of the play? We can say that Capulet's final achievement in his life will be finding his daughter a husband. Now, whilst modern audiences may see him as overbearing, Capulet is fulfilling the role of a wealthy Elizabethan father, and he's showing his love for his daughter. One of the things that we can now do is link this to another moment in the text. Here we've got Capulet saying, "Hang, beg, starve, die in the streets." Now, this moment is when Capulet is enraged by Juliet. So this happens later in the play when she doesn't want to marry Paris. She tells him of her reluctance to be married to Paris, and this puts him into a fit of rage. And his use of iambic pentameter and the figurative language that we associated with him earlier in the play is dropped to reflect his rage, and this provides a very clear contrast. So why is this such a great quote to know? Well, if you get asked about love, fate, family, impulse, youth, adults, loyalty, of course Capulet himself, you've got this key quote to be able to call upon when you write your essay. Now, if you want to take it further, all you need to do is click on the link in the description and you can get a copy of this knowledge organiser completely free. All you need to do is save a copy of it if you want to use it, or you can print it out and fill it in yourself to be able to look back on for revision in order to support you in your exams. Okay, check out the other videos on my channel and I'll continue to add content. Feel free to ask something you'd like to see me cover in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and keep revising.